Hello, I'm Maxi, a 3D character model created by Coitor 3D artists and developers. We are digital innovators with offices in the UK, Singapore, Australia, and India. We create digital assets for various metaverses, as well as applications for virtual reality and augmented reality. Our customers range from Fortune 500 businesses to startups around the world. The Coitor team takes pride in building beautiful, bespoke solutions for brands looking to revolutionize their customer experience. We have created online showrooms for well-known brands from around the world. 360-degree immersive spaces for 3D product displays create a rich experience that can be easily navigated on a variety of devices. Also, move between any showroom counters by clicking on the navigational hotspots or by selecting the objects in the showroom. Have you ever placed a virtual product in the room you're sitting in? Web-based augmented reality allows users to view and interact with augmented reality content using their phone camera, so that virtual products can be viewed in a real space. We also create 3D avatars for digital environments, purposely built to reflect accurate body measurements and proportions with a high level of detail. By starting a project with Coitor, you will receive support throughout the development process, from idea generation to the finished product. Take hold of the opportunities in the virtual world by making them a reality today, with Coitor, building great technology for those who want to make meaningful change.